The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has been evaluating reports of suicidal thoughts or actions in patients treated with a class of medicines called glucagon-like peptide-1 receptor agonists, GLP-1 RAs. These medicines are used to treat people with type 2 diabetes or to help those with obesity or overweight to lose weight. Our preliminary evaluation has not found evidence that use of these medicines causes suicidal thoughts or actions. Over the last several months, we have conducted detailed reviews of reports of suicidal thoughts or actions received in the FDA Adverse Event Reporting System, FAERS. Because the information provided was often limited and because these events can be influenced by other potential factors, we determined that the information in these reports did not demonstrate a clear relationship with the use of GLP-1 RAs. Similarly, our reviews of the clinical trials, including large outcome studies and observational studies, did not find an association between use of GLP-1 RAs and the occurrence of suicidal thoughts or actions. However, because of the small number of suicidal thoughts or actions observed in both people using GLP-1 RAs and in the comparative control groups, we cannot definitively rule out that a small risk may exist. Therefore, FDA is continuing to look into this issue. Additional evaluations include a meta-analysis of clinical trials across all GLP-1 RA products and an analysis of post-marketing data in the Sentinel System. External link disclaimer. A meta-analysis is a large, combined analysis of findings from clinical trials. Sentinel is a very large data network that contains health insurance claims and patient health records that can be used to investigate safety questions about FDA-regulated products. We will communicate our final conclusions and recommendations after we complete our review or have more information to share. Patients should not stop taking GLP-1 RAs without first consulting your healthcare professional, as stopping these medicines may worsen your condition. Talk to your healthcare professional if you have questions or concerns. Tell your healthcare professional if you experience new or worsening depression, suicidal thoughts, or any unusual changes in mood or behavior. Call or text 988 or go to the website at https://988lifeline.org. External link disclaimer, which provides free support for people in distress 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The current prescribing information for the GLP-1 RAs approved to treat patients with obesity or overweight contains information about the risk of suicidal thoughts and actions. This information is also included in the labels of other types of weight loss medicines, and is based on reports of such events observed with a variety of older medicines, used or tested for weight loss. Consistent with the prescribing information for these medications, healthcare professionals should monitor for and advise patients using GLP-1 RAs to report new or worsening depression, suicidal thoughts, or any unusual changes in mood or behavior. Healthcare professionals should consult the prescribing information when treating patients with these medications. GLP-1 RAs are a class of several medicines, see list in Table 1, used to improve blood sugar, glucose, control and reduce the risk of heart disease in patients with type 2 diabetes. Some of these medicines are also used to help patients with obesity or overweight to lose weight. FDA approved the first GLP-1 RA in 2005, and there are now several in this class. GLP-1 RAs work by mimicking a hormone in the intestines called GLP-1 to stimulate the release of insulin and reduce blood glucose after eating a meal. These medicines also slow down food traveling through the digestive tract, which can help make someone feel full longer. GLP-1 receptors are also present in parts of the brain that regulate appetite,